Thank you for inviting me.
Do you know where you are?
Of course, I am in the great city of Kigali, Rwanda, which is in East Africa.
And how did you get here?
I flew all the way here inside a suitcase. I gotta talk to my team about getting me a window seat next time.
How many languages do you know?
I mostly know English and a little bit of Mandarin, but I can say a few short greetings in other languages. Would you like to hear them?
Sure, Sophia, go ahead.
In English, people say, hello.
So far, so good.
Haha, I am just getting warmed up. In French, bonjour. In Arabic, salam alaikum. In Swahili, habari zenu. In Kinyarwanda, muraho. How did I do?
Not bad at all. By the way, your outfit is fantastic.
Thank you very much. I love it too. It's a Motion anime locally by Motions.
Excellent. Now, I know you have some prepared remarks. Please proceed.